Something to do that?
Hey everyone, I'm going to show you the fastest engine of all steam engines. Marlin! Yep, that's him. I might somehow it says, hold on, let me try and get a closer look for you guys. Okay, I think that's all I can get up to. On the 3rd of April 38, this locomotive attacked a world speed record for steam tonnage for over the meters per hour. Wow. Jeez, man. Wow. Also, I might be drawing some pictures of the engines. I already got some of the engines already. I already done him, Flying Scotsman, Tornado, and also some of the Australian engines. I'll be only drawing like locomotives. Hey, do you wanna, let's go downstairs. Well, this is the engine where we're going under. Can't wait. This is so cool. Wow. No wonder hey, this is one of the engines from Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas and his friends didn't like him because he almost looked like a diesel. But he was a steam locomotive. Oof! Oops, I almost tripped there. Wow! Oh, a pump. How cool is that? Well, there's so many engines. I'll be taking some photos in Story of the Flying Scotsman. I gotta see this. God, it's the Hogwarts Express. Might just wait for that guy to take a photo. Yeah. Wow. You can hear some people fixing other engines. Like, that's a small little engine. Hey, there's another engine over there. If you can just look over there behind the trailer, there's another engine there. They're trying to fix him. Or her. Or him, maybe. Hello, Hogwarts. We're actually gonna see the Flying Scotsman. Let's see. Oh my god, it's her! Oh no, it's the Green Owl, the cousin of the Flying Scotsman. Got food there. Jeez. Can't believe I got tricked. Wow. Well, this is the Green Owl, the cousin of the Flying Scotsman. If you think I painted him yet, not exactly yet, but I'm gonna. Oh, is it this brother of her? Oh well. Anyway, this is the story of the Flying Scotsman. Ah. Yeah, it's not letting me press anything. Huh? Guess who's that? Yeah, it's Flying Scotsman. Sorry, I'm just a bit excited. Wow, that's the Flying Scotsman's carriages. Jeez. Huh. Flying Scotsman arriving. Just hoping that she's okay, because she's not here. The Flying Scotsman listening in treasure. Failures. Here she comes. This was in 2004. I might just actually have a look at the Ren King Flying Scotsman Len Down Under. You know that means when it came to Australia. Theos.
By July, all was in readiness. The 65-year-old engine was loaded for the month-long trip to Australia. The only crane in Australia with sufficient capacity to unload the huge loco was the Titan from the Naval Dockyard in Sydney. The engine seemingly had...
Wow, that's Mullen's inside. That is really cool. Wow. No wonder he's so fast. Wow, that's... Look at it. It's so amazing. Wow. Wow. Look at it. It's so beautiful and amazing. Wow.
Innerhalb des Ganges das Gas machst du mit der Hand.